This is the new car. Welcome back to another episode of Project Driveway. This week's going to be very boring, so probably don't watch this video, like just turn it off right now. But just going to be doing a whole lot of painting and sanding on some new shit. But yeah, nothing too special. Fixing up the boot still. I've already kind of gotten started. So yeah, that's the other side of that mount. I flipped around, primed that. That ended up fucking up, so I've redone that with the stupid can that's legit leaked everywhere. Like, how did it get down there? But yeah, and I also plugged all those holes up with shitty silver. What do you call it? Is it duct tape? I think. I don't know. But I'll probably end up buying. I'll try and find some red tape just to plug those holes up that go outside the car, so water doesn't get in or out. Well, doesn't get in. Sorry. Adam's here. There he is. Adam has come to join me. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, new shit. I bought some more pink paint because I'm a fucking idiot. Don't know why. I bought some sandpaper and I bought a square and I bought a new sander. It's not the front of it, but oh well. Hey, look, I got a sander.
How you got a sander? Sand stuff.
With sandpaper.
How about sandpaper? How sandpaper goes to the sander?
I got a square.
Why?
Because we didn't have one. It's to do right, straight edges.
Yeah, but you know.
Just in case.
The wood's square, the battery's scared.
I bought more paint. I bought more pink paint too.
It's the same one.
Yeah.
I probably went over this.
Yeah, look. Me too. But I needed it for that thing.
Yeah, but you know.
Soz. Hey, I was thinking too, this thing that hides those pipes over there, should I paint it red?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, to match it in. It's
Yeah.
black. I can't paint the rest because it's carpet, but that's alright.
So.
I could probably get like fabric paint, but fuck that.
Oh, should be right.
And we're also going to do some work on the skirts that have been shoved to the corner of the garage.
We can't even get there.
Hold up, we need to zoom out.
We'd have to move everything to get there.
Legit though. But yeah, that's why I bought the sander, so we can do it. That's it, I've got nothing else to say like this.
Someone go back and tell us how many episodes it's been since we touched them. It's at least like 7.
Oh yeah, and yeah, that too, yeah. Oh, more than that, easy. I got some cut off Luca Bond to make some shit. So that's future with like legit all else of this. What do we got here? Oh, would you look at that? There's a lip, there's a chair, there's some... Oh, there's a diffuser. There's a mattress. There's a steering wheel.
An alternator box.
What else is there?
Chair. Small shocks. A tyre. Radiator. A press. Helmet. Safety vest.
You're missing the most important part.
Skirts.
No. To the right. Yeah. I'm like zoomed in on him. But yeah, I'm trying to spray this thing and it's just fucking terrible, man. Like, it's just terrible. I don't like this paint at all.
It is quite horrible.
But I bought another can.
Yeah,
because I needed to paint that.
Yeah, alright.
Like, look at this. It's legit just all over the can. It's just leaking everywhere. And I don't know how there's still paint in it. Don't touch it. I'll just paint it.
Oh.
What? Yeah, the silicone, yeah. It's...
No, I was going to say it hasn't moved far since last time because there's like, you can't even see the but it's...
No, I flipped it.
Yeah. What happened to don't touch it?
Yeah, I'm allowed to though, because I know what I'm doing. You just throw shit and yeet shit. Where are you going?
To me Mondi. Oh, wait, I don't have it. What flavour shapes?
Savoury.
No, what flavour shapes you like?
Nacho cheese. Blue.
Alright, well, that's another end to the episode early. We're going home.
It's fucking good.
Nacho cheese?
Yeah.
Savoury.
Nacho
Savoury.
cheese is the best. The best. You can't beat nacho cheese. The dark blue one.
Oh, that's even worse. What the hell is this guy?
Get in car. Still rubbing this.
I was going to say, it's been 10 minutes, you're still in the same spot.
I am. What the fuck am I doing?
Yeah. That's the part you rubbed at the start.
I just got carried away.
Well, now it's raining, or wetting, or
Oh my god.
yeah,
Oh!
wetting.
What the fuck? Why is it raining?
Or like, there's some pretty clouds.
Yo, legit though, why is it raining? It just started.
Oh shit, get wet, get wet, get wet, get wet. Hey, can you move for a sec?
No.
Can you move for a sec?
No.
Can you move for a sec?
No.
Do you want to tell the people what you did?
No.
Do you want to tell the people what you did?
No. This isn't that bad.
Yeah, it's still a nice gouge.
Fucking, I accidentally hit this on it. It was a complete accident. You ready for this?
Nope. Pink. Pink. It looks really good on camera, but we know that's going to go horrible.
Primed.
Primed. Middle. You missed the middle. Missed it again. Missed it again. Yeah, he still missed it again. There, no. Yeah, okay, cool. This is some prime time viewing. Get it?
It's fucking raining.
No, but you get it. It's prime time viewing.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Prime.
6.9
Thank you.
out of 10.
So,
Oh no.
what'd you do now?
I fucking fake the floor. Whoops.
It's pink.
I'm gonna get that off.
It's pink.
Alright, so it's fucking raining. So I'm gonna drop the battery in this, connect it up, and drive the car just like right there. With the pink spot. So we can do some work in here. With light. Red. Is that the...
Extreme one or whatever. Ooh, the Miata takes a victim.
Oh.
Ah, pootlatch to the noggin.
Alright, that should be... Let's try and start this thing.
Okay. Don't know how.
I just...
Why are you on the left side of the car? Oh, because you can't get in the driver's door. That's right. Forgot that old meme. Made a clean spot so we can see his head. There you go. What a head. There it is. Miata things. Oop. It's red.
Phone's on charge, so you gotta stay there. I can bring this to you. This looks alright. I'm gonna not paint that anymore before I fuck it.
It is the best thing we've sprayed with that pink yet.
Hey, both sides a different colour. You ready?
Oh god.
How? Why are they two different colours?
Stay down there.
Don't give me that shit, boy.
Look, you're fucking all the way down here.
Hey, why I got this? Look, it comes with a bag.
Oh my god, it comes with a bag. Bag got a handle. Oh, bag got a handle. It's like a lunchbox. No.
But we've got it all set up. Hopefully, I really hope this catches a lot of dust.
Hang on,
I
one
fucking
second.
hope so.
One second, just look behind you.
Bro, what the fuck?
Yeah, catch dust it does. Catch dust it doesn't.
It blows it away.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, rub it good like.
Random fact, go.
This is an orbital sander. It spins this way and also does like figure eights.
That is a random fact.
I don't know why.
You are on the money.
But they do. Oh, I'm done. I'm done. Like, I've had enough.
Too much dust.
Okay, one fucking look. Oh, I'm done by the way, people.
Too much dust.
Yeah. Next, like, I want to try and do it during the day, and then I can do it outside, and then just let the atmosphere take the dust.
Yeah.
just like completely fuck global warming with
And the neighbours.
bog dust.
Yeah.
Yeah, and not my garage.
Yeah, exactly.
So.
Mind you, he changed the pads over from the ones that came with it, and that worked a lot better.
Yeah, the ones that I bought were a lot better than the ones that it came with. But hey, look, it came with a bag that I completely didn't know. It came with a bag.
We're good.